We had one of those perfect weather days in January. Texas can be an unforgiving place in summer, and this winter has been wetter than usual. But every now and then we get a day with low humidity and the high around 70. It was the perfect day to go to Flat Rock Ranch. We only rode the race lines, which are all downhill. We rode Mad Bomber, Black Sheep, and Speed. We hit each one at least twice, meaning we climbed a ton to keep going back to the top. I was unlucky enough to have a rock fly up from my tire and hit my shin not once, but twice. You can even hear the rock whack my shin right here.
Oh! Oh, that really hurt. Okay. Kills my speed. Oh, sorry guys. Whew. Oh, I hate that muddy spot. Whew. And I love that. I'm gonna leave a little gap, probably a bigger gap. God, I hate how loose that is. That thing catches me off guard every time. The most amazing berm ever. Oh, that thing is crazy. Oh, fuck. Definitely hit that wrong. So rocky. Leave a little space. No, thank you. Oh God, what am I doing? Oh, I guess we're going this way. Oh, back tire caught it. Probably should have just gone for that bigger one.
This was the most downhill riding I've done in a long time. I used the GoPro Hero 7 Black here, and I'm really happy with the results. And I think the angle was much better this time. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.